if you're passionate about the auto industry, it's hard not to just think this is the coolest place on earth. This is a way for us to connect to the industry. So a lot of what we do is with our strategic partners. I mean, how do we make sure that we can bring the aftermarket into our sales channel as well? How do we make it one experience? So we can make new connections, we can reach a whole bunch of new people, and we can really just nurture and be part of the whole industry, which is it's powerful for all of us.
SEMA is a lot of different things. What you're dealing with is the single largest gathering of performance brands and performance accessory brands in the industry. We use the SEMA show as a launching point for the products we're going to launch over the next 2 years.
So being at SEMA, it really gives us a good opportunity for face-to-face interaction with a lot of the suppliers that we do business with, and think of some new, interesting, and sometimes wicked ideas for what we want to try pursuing in the future. So just a great place for collaboration against a ton of people.
Our involvement with SEMA has really translated to a ton of new business.
Kind of that action-packed week that we're all looking for. How do we expand on what we've already got with our existing clients? And then for customers that we haven't met before, just showing who we are, what we can do for them, and what a partnership looks like. And we're looking for long-term growth, long-term partnerships, whether it's a mom and pop garage, all the way up to premier WDs and everywhere in between.